Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this super pretty pink and purple look that's perfect for spring. So if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. So today I wanted to do a pretty colorful look for springtime. And I wanted to use the Morphe 39S palette. And my eyes are already primed with some eyeshadow primer and powder, so I'm going to go straight into the eyeshadow. First, I'm going to take the shade Pink Prize on my Morphe B79 brush, and I'm going to run that through my crease. Next, on my Morphe M573 brush, I'm going to take the shade Bougie and run that through my crease as well. Next, on my Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to take the shade Purple Majesty, and I'm going to run that through my crease as well. The next thing I'm going to do is cut my crease, and I'm going to do a full cut crease instead of just a half cut crease like I normally do. And for that, I'm going to use this Ulta Beauty eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to take it on my Morphe M421 brush. I'm going to go back in with that Purple Majesty color just to blend out the edges of that primer a little bit. And now on my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 9 brush, I'm going to take the shade Loaded Lilac and put that on my lid where that primer is. I think I'm actually going to use my finger to apply this. Now I'm going to go back in with all the crease colors, so the Purple Majesty, the Bougie, and then the Pink Prize, and just blend everything out and make sure it's looking nice. Okay, now I'm going to finish up my other eye. So I just got finished doing both eyes, and I don't know if it's the eyeshadow primer or that shimmer shade, but I was having a hard time getting it to stick. And now I'm going to take one of the glitter formula shades in the palette, and I think I'm going to take the shade here for it. So I'm just going to take that on one of my fingers and put that on top of the shimmer shade. Okay, same thing as the Loaded Lilac shimmer shade. I'm having a hard time getting this to stick. I am going to clean up any fallout that's on my face, and then I'll be back for foundation. So I cleaned up all the fallout on my face, and I already primed my skin, and I'm going to do foundation next. So I'm going to use the Fit Me Matte and Poreless from Maybelline in the shade 110 Porcelain. For concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 5 Ivory. For bronzer today, I'm going to use my Colourpop Coconut Beach bronzer, and I'm going to take that on my e.l.f. Flawless Face brush. For blush today, I'm going to take my Morphe Blush Trio and Pop of Blush. I'm going to take this middle shade right here called Fearless. For our highlighter today, I'm going to use two different things. So for pretty much most of my face, like all the high points, and then my brow bone and my inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Gleam. And I'm going to take the shade Starburst, which is a really nice pink color. And then for the center of my nose and my Cupid's bow, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. For false lashes today, I'm going to use the House of Lashes Pixie Mini Lashes. For my lower lash line, I'm first going to go back into the shade Purple Majesty, and I'm going to take it on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 11 brush and run that under my eye. And next on my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 8 brush, I'm going to take the shade Bougie and run that under my eye too. And now on my Morphe B79 brush, I'll take the shade Pink Prize and blend both of those shades out. For my lips, first I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Pink and line my lips. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Intimatte Nude lipstick in the shade 535 Purely Nude. And on top of that, I'm going to take the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Fairy Floss. To finish off the look, there's just two more things I want to do. So first, I'm going to take the Ulta Glitter Eye Top Coat in the shade Fairy Princess. It's a really pretty pink sparkly color. And I'm going to take that on my e.l.f. eye crease brush and put that in the inner corner of my eyes. And the last thing I want to do is put mascara on my bottom lashes. So I'm going to take the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Okay everybody, so that was the finished look. I love how this turned out. It's super pretty for spring and summer. I love the pink and purple tones of it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and that you're subscribed to my channel. And I'll see you all in my next video.